In this video I'm going to be comparing my old airbrush compressor to my new airbrush compressor. The old one is the TC20. It's a very quiet compressor with 59 dB noise level. That's important to me because I want to be able to use it inside without it being disturbing others and carry on a conversation as well. The new one is from California Air Tools. It's a CAT-1610A ultra quiet compressor. It's rated at 60 dB or decibels. It'd be very difficult for a person to tell the difference between 59 and 60 dB. So to aid that, I have a sound pressure level meter, and it will take readings of exactly how much noise each compressor is putting out. It's raining out here a little bit, and you should be able to pick up some noise from that. Rain's kind of going away. Okay. If you could, hopefully you can see the meter okay. In the middle of the display is 0. That means on the 60 scale, that is 60. Minus 10 would mean it would be down at 50 dB. Plus 6 means if it hits that, it's putting out 66 dB of noise. Let's see how it performs. Well, roughly 58, much quieter than my voice when I'm normally talking. So all in all, pretty reasonable. Let's see how the California Air Tools compressor does in comparison. Aha! Obviously much louder. The meter is completely pegged, so I need to change the scale. So as you can see, this one is doing it about 70 dB, much louder, much more noticeable, harder to carry on a conversation. Let's try this one again. Back down to the lower scale. Let's turn the other one up. So now I'll give them a call tomorrow. I'll give them a call tomorrow and try and determine whether I have a defective compressor or they have a defective salesman.